Mark your calendars, April 13th, 2029. It's a date that has scientists on high alert. On that day, a massive asteroid named Apophis will come closer to Earth than some of our satellites. But could this near-Earth object pose a real danger? Could it hit our planet, triggering a catastrophe? Let's dive into the facts and the science behind this potentially historic event. First, let's talk about Apophis. Discovered in 2004, this asteroid is roughly 340 meters wide, about the size of 3 football fields. When it was first spotted, astronomers calculated its trajectory and realized something startling. Apophis would pass so close to Earth in 2029 that it would come within 19,000 miles, closer than some of our GPS and communication satellites. To put that in perspective, that's about 1/10 of the distance between the Earth and the Moon. This near miss has raised concerns, and for good reason. An asteroid of this size could cause widespread destruction if it were to collide with Earth. The impact would be equivalent to millions of tons of TNT, enough to level cities or even cause global consequences. But here's the big question. Will Apophis actually hit us? The good news is that, according to current calculations, the asteroid is not expected to collide with Earth in 2029. Scientists have been tracking its path for years, and they are confident that it will pass us by, though it will be a very close shave. While there's a sigh of relief for now, the story doesn't end there. Asteroids like Apophis remind us of the lurking dangers in space. Even a small shift in its orbit, caused by gravitational interactions with Earth or other objects, could alter its future trajectory. But what if it did hit Earth? If Apophis were to collide with our planet, the consequences would be devastating. An impact could trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, and even a mini ice age, depending on where it strikes. In fact, it would be one of the most significant events in human history. To prevent such a disaster, space agencies like NASA are working on solutions. NASA's DART mission, for example, is designed to test whether we can deflect potentially dangerous asteroids by intentionally crashing a spacecraft into them. The idea is to change the asteroid's orbit just enough to steer it away from Earth. So, should we be worried about 2029? While Apophis will pass close by, it's not expected to hit us. But its close encounter serves as a wake-up call. We're not immune to the forces of space, and Earth has been hit before. Just ask the dinosaurs. What do you think? Are we prepared for potential asteroid impacts in the future, or should we be doing more? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos exploring the mysteries of space, science, and everything beyond. You're watching The Universe, where we uncover the wonders of the cosmos and beyond.